Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of December. And as they are general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So, and you can also follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box below. Though the name of the page is the same, Surabhi's Tarot. So let's see what's going on for Librans. Okay, so we have the Three of Cups, the Fool, and the Ten of Wands. Okay, let's see what's there on this side. Okay, the High Priestess, the Four of Pentacles, and the Five of Cups. Okay, let's see what's the outcome. King of Pentacles, the Moon, and the Ace of Wands. Okay, Magician, the Devil. Something here really needs to show up. Five of Swords, okay, let's see what is the message from this deck for Librans. Okay, Six of Diamonds, guidance from the angels for Librans, seeing clearly. Okay, so Librans, with the Three of Cups, the Fool, and the Ten of Wands, what I feel here is that you are unburdening yourself from a situation, looking in for a reconciliation, having happy times, celebrations, and ready to take a leap of faith in a direction which is, it's like it's something new. You are unburdening yourself from whatever was holding you back, whatever was like you were not able to see through things perhaps. So there was a situation in your life which you in which you felt blocked, or you felt that you were not able to look beyond the responsibilities which you were carrying. Okay, and the thing is that now you are ready to unburden yourself from those things and see through. You are ready to take that leap of faith. You are ready to move ahead. You are ready to look up. Sort of, you were too much immersed, or so much glued or immersed totally in your responsibilities, whatever they were, whatever the situation was. But now the things are changing with the Three of Cups. You are celebrating, being happy, maybe reuniting with your families and friends, reuniting with somebody, because you are ready to take the leap of faith. You are ready for a fresh beginning and a new beginning over here. Okay, and on this side we have the High Priestess, the Four of Pentacles, and the Five of Cups. So what I feel here is, in this situation, there was somebody who was very hurt, was very upset for some reason, and that is why this person started holding back. And this person did not take any action, didn't make a move. They totally closed off, totally shut off, because they were in touch with their intuition. They were using their intuition. What their intuitive guide said was that this is the wise thing to do. Maybe whatever the reason was, that this reason, the reason which I feel is, this person felt that this is the right move, this is what they need to do. Okay, and that is what they were doing, not taking any action, not making a move, not showing their emotions. But the real thing was, they were upset over something. And what I feel here is, maybe they were upset because you were busy with your stuff, you are busy with your own life, and perhaps You were not looking at them because your view was totally blocked in your own. You were totally immersed in what your responsibilities or whatever your goals or whatever it was. Okay, so this person was very upset and felt ignored, and this person totally closed off. Okay, and here we have the King of Pentacles, the Moon, the Ace of Wands, the Magician, the Devil, and the Five of Swords. So what I feel here is, definitely with the Five of Swords there has been a fight, maybe an argument. It was something which was the reason of this person being closed off, and you also feeling burdened. Whatever it was, this seems to be the reason for whatever has happened till now. Okay, but what I feel here is, we have the King of Pentacles, so somebody is in power, perhaps ready for a new beginning, because we have the Ace of Wands and the Magician. So though we have the Moon card, so definitely the road is obviously not very clear to both of you. But yes, though the uncertainty is there, again Moon also talks about being in touch with your intuition. So what I feel is, with the King of Pentacles, somebody is ready to take the control back. It's something like that. So somebody is ready to move ahead, somebody is back in power, somebody is really willing to work on it. That is what I feel. Ready to work for a new beginning, because with the Ace of Wands and the Magician, so definitely it is a new beginning over here. Though the path doesn't seem that clear, but there is a lot of passion in this situation. Somebody is ready to work on it. With this, and with the King of Pentacles, somebody has taken back the charge. Actually, this is somebody has taken the charge of like, okay, we should move ahead. So somebody is taking the charge of moving forward, and that is what is happening. Though maybe the how to do it and how to make it happen is not very clear to this person also. But one more thing is, this can be a third party relationship also, or a love triangle type of a thing also, because we have the Three of Cups and the Moon. Okay, so it can be that also for some of you. Okay, but yes, definitely there is definitely a new beginning. Somebody is, or maybe both of you are ready to manifest this new beginning. But with the Devil and the Five of Swords, what I feel is, this thing needs to be worked on. Whatever is negative in the relationship, whatever it was which was causing the fights or arguments, whatever it was, whatever the cause of dispute was, needs to be corrected and needs to be worked on. Let's see what is any other messages for Librans. Okay, Seven of Cups, the Sun, Five of Pentacles, Six of Wands, Seven of Wands, Eight of Wands, Justice, Four of Wands, Hierophant, Ten of Cups. So what I feel here is that somebody, as I said, is ready to make a move. Somebody is ready to choose. Somebody is ready to choose amongst the options, sort of, or somebody is ready to. Somebody is choosing wisely over here. That's how I should put it. Somebody is choosing whatever are the options available to them. Somebody is choosing very wisely now, and the right choice is giving them a lot of happiness. That is how it should be put up. Okay, so the right choice, there are many options, many things are going on, whatever is there, or many ideas are there, whatever the confusion is, but the thing is, the right decision is being made regarding what to pick up, which is giving a lot of happiness. Okay, and also we have the Five of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, the Seven of Wands, Eight of Wands, Justice, the Four of Wands, Hierophant, Ten of Cups, Eight of Cups, Ace of Swords. One more I just felt like picking up. Okay, so with the Five of Pentacles over here, somebody was feeling ignored, somebody was feeling rejected, and maybe that is what is the triggering factor of this person being able to take the charge and able to take a charge for a fresh beginning. So this can be because this person was feeling ignored, whosoever it was, feeling ignored, feeling rejected. So that is what triggered this person, because somebody had totally closed off over here. Okay, because this person was closed off, this person was not actually making any move. So this side person, whosoever it is, decided to open up, decided to initiate sort of with a fresh beginning, because with the Fool card, the reason was that now this person was feeling left out in the cold because there was no action from that side. Okay, and we have the Six of Wands, which is talking about victory, and it is talking about being happy and being victorious in whatever you want to do. With the Seven of Wands, though there was a struggle, though there was a time when this person was trying to not make a move. It was a struggle for this person, basically, not to show their emotions. Also, maybe that is what they were doing, struggling with their emotions, as to they were not able to cope up more, sort of. Okay, and with Eight of Wands, once they felt that the struggle is getting too hard, they really need to step up. This person started communicating with the Eight of Wands, with the Justice. With the Justice, definitely things are getting sorted out, things are getting balanced. We have the Four of Wands, which is ultimately happiness and commitment. Hierophant, again a commitment, maybe even a marriage. Ten of Cups, family, what else do you want? And then with the Eight of Cups and the Ace of Swords, somebody is definitely walking away, leaving behind the emotional baggage or whatever was at one point in time holding them back, and this person is moving towards peace, and that peace is the Ace of Swords. This person is moving towards a fresh new beginning. With the Six of Diamonds from this deck, it is talking about celebrations and harmony, dining together, celebrating together. So these are the happy times once again. The guidance from the angels, number 12, may be of some significance for you. Seeing clearly. This is the time to view things from a different perspective. You have a blessed gift to see the past and the current situation and envision the amazing possibilities. Don't worry. The pause in the momentum while you rethink your plans won't last. Embrace your uniqueness and allow it to serve you. So maybe that is what it is. You've been able to see clearly, and now you are able to understand the situation, and then you are ready to make a move. So Librans, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet you in the next video. Bye.